mahal na mahal ko. Like, super. Sa iba tong event na to para sa'yo. And this one is a meaningful one for us, but mas meaningful para sa'yo.
Love, we started our journey over 2 years ago. Remember the first time I sent food sa'yo? Kahit na nasa Manila ako at nasa Cebu ka. Remember the first time we met? Ginawa kong alabang yung Cebu. I felt a connection to your soul.
Kasi weather inisip namin, tapos ngayon palang maulan. Hindi naman ako nag-pray na hindi pa binigay.
I still remember the time I prayed to God so desperately and eagerly for the type of man I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. I remember the times I prayed to God and cried a river to bless me with the man I deserve. I remembered writing all the good qualities of a man I wanted to be with 14 years ago. Remember? Part of my vows was written when I was in high school. And I remembered how God fulfilled His promise to me.
You probably want to ask me what I'm thinking about right now. I'm thinking of you. Always. From the first day that we met, I've thought of you. I wondered what was your story, but after all this time together, it has become our love story. What a week we had. The first of many hard decisions that we will have to make together. The first of many challenges that we will face.
I told you before, right? My wedding vow was written long before I met you. But I realized you deserve something better, so I have to change it. Today, I stand in one of the profound blessing of having you by my side. I am grateful for the countless moments of joy and laughter that we have experienced and for the memories we have woven into our fabric of shared existence.
John is from Luzon, Ali is from Mindanao, pero you first met each other in Cebu. Diba? Talagang literal na Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, yung inyong relationship. And who would have thought na from that meeting, God was actually already orchestrating something between the two of you. Isn't God amazing?
We both share the belief that God and our family is the most important thing in the world. I cannot wait to start our new family together, and I promise to always put your needs and the needs of our family before my own.
I remember that day, I knew I found His promise. Funny how I even joke around and ask God, Lord, apaka-specific mo naman mag-answer ng prayers. Hindi ko lang nalista yung height, di mo din binigay. Sana man lang bonus na lang. It may sound absurd, but at that moment, I know He is really a God that answers prayer. Like I always told you, you are my answered prayer. And I can't thank God enough for giving it to me.
I'm so proud of how much you and I both have accomplished in our careers. And I am certain that none of it could be possible without the invaluable support and the encouragement we provide each other. As your husband, I promise to support your dream.
To make a change in our lives, east tangling sky, empty bottle of wine. I got you by my side, talking about love and life. Oh, how lucky am I when I look in your eyes. What a wonderful way
Mahalin mo si
to
Ali,
spend a moment or two.
And alam ko kahit minsan may kayo, hindi pagkakaintindihan, intindihin mo na lang.
Making a change now, a moment of truth. Why am I feeling so nervous when things are going so
The
perfect?
marriage that you will have, you will be enjoying it habang buhay na magkasama kayo.
Forever with you. And so I count 2, 3 and get on one knee.
As we continue to grow in our lives together, I promise to love you unconditionally,
I promise to be faithful and true to you and always strive to understand and respect your thoughts, feelings, and dreams.
to care for you and our families for as long as we live. Ali, you are my everything. To my last breath, I love you.
Some things were just meant to be. Hearts intertwined. Some things were just meant to be. In perfect time. Some things were just meant to be. Oh, you and I. Some things were just meant to be.
With all that I have and with all that I am, I commit myself as your wife, a God's gift to you, starting today and all of eternity. Love you, love you.